Hi, Kalot. This is me, 19 years old. I hope ano man, i-expect ko sa'yo in the future. 10 years from now, Tani, happy ka. Tani, you are with the right person. Gusto ko dalawa anak mo. Dalawa anak mo? Of course, magiging dalawang anak mo. And I hope that kasama mo yung taong dapat na para sa'yo.
Alam mo yung
Yung taong ibigay ni Lord. And I hope that hindi ka na malungkot. Though palagi ka naman kasi malungkot. Pero I mean like you are fulfilled
mas magka-supply mo ka.
and happy. Hoping you the best in life. Wait lang, mag-separate film ako.